welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, guys, I hope you had a nice Thanksgiving wherever you live in the world. I hope you could relax and had some nice time with your family. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys, and thank you for your loyal support here to all my viewers, followers, and of course my dear members. Okay, guys, in this video we talk about SoFi. We have here a technical breakout, and I want to do a small recap with you what happened here since my video release. I released one video here at the 12th of September on SoFi where I said big move coming, guys, and I want to recap with you why I already predicted here a squeeze or a potential squeeze, and we want to check that here in a second, and of course talk about the new price levels here in favor for a short squeeze, guys. The market is super bullish right now, so we want to see what are the price levels here to the up and the downside. This is of course not financial advice. Yeah, guys, when we go back here to the 12th of September, this is this line here. I expected here something to happen. Why? Because SoFi is trading here between two price levels. We had $6.48 and $8.22, and of course this overall trend channel pattern in which SoFi is moving right now. And that was the reason why I said that there is a very, very potential breakout coming, since we had a strong support here but couldn't break out yet to the upside. The thing is that there is some, TradingView was loading. There is some chart pattern here which I also identified. That's why I was quite sure that this breakout will be in favor for the bulls. I show you everything here in detail in a second. What I just want to show you is this trend line here. So when we just see how this price action here is building up, then we can see that SoFi is already attempting here to break out. When we connect all these touch points here, I could even make it a little bit lower here, so like this, guys. Then we can see here many attempts to break out, and this is a wedge, a typical wedge pattern, but the overall support trend channel here is supporting SoFi, and that was the reason why I thought that is very, very potential to see here a breakout to the upside. So let's press play here on TradingView and let's see what the price action has done here since the 12th of September, since I said I expect here a squeeze to happen. So here we go, zack, 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 price level 1, price level 2, and sayonara. So there we are, guys. So you can see we squeezed out of the screen, and I think in total we have, I think, a little bit more than 100%. Yes, $6 here. That time, this touch point here was for me the significant touch point, and also this candle here where I said, okay, the bulls are still here at $6.48. This is the main support for SoFi, and you can see since my video release we had here a squeeze in total when we measured it for a second here, zack, zack. Okay, from 139%, and even here with the pre-market price action 142%. Yeah, this is one of my missions here, guys. Of course, the main purpose is to educate you in trading. That's why I show you here also the chart patterns for SoFi, but I also love short squeeze stocks, and I try to predict short squeezes here every week on my channel. We had also two big squeezes this week. I always release here my so-called hot stocks. Every Sunday, guys, I upload these videos here, and when I release a hot stock video, that means that I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. You can see here some of the member feedbacks which I got, and of course it is possible to predict short squeezes in the market. Even, of course, nobody see the future, but in the next trading days when you have some chart signals, it is possible to predict short squeezes here. This week, guys, two of my hot stocks already squeezed. The first one here was 109% directly on Monday. Here Sunday was the video release, and we had a 109% squeeze, and the second one was on Wednesday. There we had a 242% squeeze. It was even more. It went here until the green line, exactly my exit level here, and we had a 270% squeeze here 2 days or 3 days after my video release, guys. Yeah, if you want to see these hidden short squeeze plays, you can of course check out here our trading community where you get access to all these short squeeze stocks. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership here on Patreon. You can see all the member benefits here, and when you click the info icon here in the corner, guys, then you get access to this Patreon member link. So guys, SoFi, we have now here a technical breakout, and I'm very honest with you, this is not a video to hype you up. I really think that we can go here back to $22 or higher. Why do I say that? So we had just two significant breakout levels. The first one was $10.08, the blue line here. If you follow my channel here for a while, you know that I never change or adjust my charts. When I identify here chart patterns, then everything stays like it is. I will tell you something on that later. And that's why we had here $10.08 as the first breakout level. And then, in my opinion, there is only one resistance in the chart, and this is $13.92, guys. This price line here is, in my opinion, the resistance, or what I like to call them the make it or break it price level. So that means when SoFi trading above $13.92, then it acts like a squeeze or acts like a support. And when we trade below that, then of course the bears step in and you see something like this happen here, huge sell-off reaction. So $10.08 is the support and $13.92 the make it or break it price level. So why do I think we could go back here to $22 as soon or as long as the stock market stays bullish, and we are very bullish right now? I think there is no doubt that we can just squeeze here until $22 or even maybe create new all-time highs for SoFi, because the all-time high is $28.26, and we have one important open gap waiting here at $22.76. When we check here for a second the open gaps, there are no more open gaps in the daily chart. The last open gap is waiting here at $22.75, and that's why, in my opinion, when we see the price action what SoFi did in the past, let me just switch off here for a second the drawings, or sorry, we switch off the indicators, this is more easy to see. Then we know that this price level here, $13.92, always acted as a support. Yeah, just when the bears bring the price below that, it acts like a resistance. But we can see since the IPO here in November 2020, this price level always acted as a support, acted as a support, acted as a support. That's why, in my opinion, guys, yeah, I also showed you this orange line here in my last video, $15.26. I said there is a chance that we get rejected here, but we start again to gap up again here in the daily chart. You can see in the pre-market, while I'm recording this video, we started trade here at $16.34. In my opinion, guys, not financial advice, I think we will close this open gap at $22.76. There is one yeah, but I would also not call it a big resistance, but we can see here $17.11 is also something like a resistance. But I already said that this is a slightly resistance, and then I could draw here 1,000 lines, but that makes no sense. In my opinion, guys, SoFi will squeeze here back at least to $22. Then we have to be careful, because everything here over $21 is a very bearish liquidity zone. So the market makers will step in here and try to bring the price down. We can see that we had here gap downs. Here was one breakout attempt, but here was a gap down even. And here also the price gapped up. So I think $21 is a very, very significant sell-off zone where the market makers step in. So I will add this line to the chart, because I think it is possible that we break this price level. Of course, we have to close the gap, but that doesn't mean that the price can stay over $21. So if you think about where to take profits, yeah, I cannot give you any financial advice, but the chart is telling us that everything here over $21 is quite bearish, and the market makers allow, of course, the price to go over $21, but then you can see we have this kind of massive sell-off reactions. Here we had a gap up, the price gapped up over this price level, and then you can see the market makers use the gap down and so on. So tricky, guys. Yeah, I mean, of course, the chart structure here for SoFi is of course now bullish. Yeah, we had this kind of trend channel pattern which we left here absolute with a bullish breakout. That's why I think in the long term it could be a very bullish stock. We have $17.4 billion market capital. This is just crazy. But as I said, everything what shoots up quick here, guys, comes also down quick. So I would not, not buy in here at $21. I would wait for a pullback. But for now, the bull scenario is that we're trading here over $21 and close this gap at $22. This is my honest opinion. And this is what I think will happen here if the market don't decide to turn very, very bearish, guys. Yeah, guys, there is a very limited offer right now. It's just available here for 21 hours. We have here Black Friday on TradingView, guys. So everything what you see here is TradingView. This is my chart program which I use since many, many years, and I use that for all my videos. If you want to copy the price levels here from my chart, then of course you can get your own TradingView program or TradingView access, and now you have your 70% discount and 1 month for free. This is just available until today. So if you want, guys, you can take advantage here of this special Black Friday discount link. When you click here the info icon in the corner, then you get access to this TradingView discount link, guys. And as I said, this is just lasting here for 1 more day. Okay, guys, that was my update here on SoFi. I hope that was helpful. I thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.